welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to show you exactly how to change Airbnb currency to make your travel planning much easier. This quick guide will help you view prices in the money you use most. So now let's get started. Step 1, open the app and click on your profile icon located in the bottom right-hand side of the screen. This section is your personal dashboard where you can manage your account, details and app preferences. Step 2, scroll down until you see the account settings section and click on it to open more options. This menu allows you to customize how you interact with the platform and manage your privacy or security. Step 3, click on payments from the list of options to manage how you pay for your bookings. This is where you find your saved cards and all the financial settings related to your guest account. Step 4, look for the currency option in the top right-hand side of the screen and click on it. This specific setting controls how all listing prices are displayed globally across the entire app. Step 5, go ahead and select your new currency from the list that you want your prices to be displayed in. Choosing your local currency helps you understand the exact cost of a stay without needing an external converter. Step 6, head back over to the Airbnb home screen and refresh the page to update the listings. Once you do this, you will see all available homes and experiences shown in your newly chosen currency. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.